Welcome back to the MadTechTalk. Today we're going to review a newest kind of gadget which I kind of received, and it is kind of something which has never been on my channel. So we're actually looking into tech robots with AI in kind of like a pet style. So Loona, which is the company of the KEYi Tech, was nice enough to actually provide me with their kind of a pet robot, which is also connected to the artificial intelligence. So let's check it out. So meet Loona! Whoa, this is very active. Okay, I'm holding it because what I see that by having it on the desk, it can be very active. So it's great to play with on the actual ground, but it's very cool, you know? So on the desk, I need to catch it pretty often. But on the actual ground, it works very best. So Loona is actually connected with the AI, and it kind of reacts to a voice. So it will be kind of autonomous with like searching for a daily basis. It will be, you know, it like for it to pet her. Right now, she doesn't like that I'm holding her. So she's getting angry. So as you can see, it's showing emotions. Hello, Loona. What are you?
Friendly robot dog. Loona, think of me as your loyal companion who's always ready to roll and have a good time. What about you? What's your vibe today?
I want to see what you can do for me and with me.
Possibility. I can keep you company, make you laugh, and roll around to explore with you.
So in general, it has many different modes to kind of work with, and it's pretty cool because it does look for items. So right now it's searching for me. So I can see that this kind of means it's searching for me, and I can show it here. And I can also, you know, take it and, for example, ask it, hello, Loona, what is that?
I see the famous plant pod in action.
Hello, Loona, what is that?
I see. It's a coffee mug with a fancy design. To sip some creativity from it while filming your next video?
Oh, it knows I'm filming the video! Well done, Loona! So I think, you know, if you're looking for a pet, and the Loona is actually a pretty interesting pet bot, the challenge which I'm seeing with it is that it reacts well when it's on the ground, but it doesn't see that it's on the desk. So it means it's actually trying to fall from that desk. So that's the minus. Definitely not the desk robot. It's more like a, you know, having a robot kind of in the background and having on the floor. So I'm gonna put it as well on the floor. You can see some of the features here, like, well, I try to play some fetch and ball with it. Oh my god, it's very cool. It's actually grabbing that ball easily. So you can see that you can play with the app. And you have many different apps with the actual Loona. So like I saw that when I downloaded it and connected it to Wi-Fi, I see that there are many different to choose from. So if you use Loona, you can see kind of the apps that it's actually working with. So you can have two Loonas playing together. Like you can have many different apps like Bullfighting, and even the remote control, which I think it's a pretty decent and interesting feature because it does allow you to, you know, when you're, for example, not at the house, to kind of go around and kind of see what's going on, maybe ask your girlfriend of something. It can be funny, it can be very funny. I can see it has a lot of mini games like slot machine, fishing game. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, I like it. I like that it's very interactive. It has like also a talent show and many different other programs which you can work with. So obviously, if you're looking for a pet, which is an AI pet, I think that might be the future, you know? This kind of robots are kind of something which, you know, when AI will be smarter, when we'll be bringing even more things, then, you know, this might be the future. Like devices like that, which are very kind of human friendly, and we're looking for connection. And at the same time, it will be connected to the ChatGPT, because this one is, and will provide you knowledge and kind of help you learn about the world. Interesting, right? What do you think? Is it a yay or nay? Would you grab one? Well, I've attached the link in the description of this video. So you can actually grab it if you're interested. It also, I think it's good to buy it with a docking station. So it actually, when it goes around, it will automatically charge itself when it sees it's low on the battery. So that's pretty cool thing. And has all the other props, like which I found there, which is, you know, this ball and also the red cape for the bullfight. Pretty cool. What do you think? And remember, if you like this, you know, video and you like my channel, just hit that like and subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on. Take care!
Mad tech talk, tech so fly. Breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.